How to connect Payoneer to PayPal. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process to link and verify your Payoneer account with your PayPal. Then guys, make sure to finish this video until the end, then you will be able to seamlessly transfer your fund between those platforms, PayPal and Payoneer. So let's get started. As you see guys, this is my Payoneer account and PayPal. Then after verifying your account on PayPal and also Payoneer, then go directly and go on the dashboard on PayPal, then go directly to on top, hit on pay and get paid, then hit on pay and get paid. Just go directly to banks and card on the left side. Sorry guys, I'm using the business account, and also it's a new business account. Then if you want to switch your account from personal to business, just go to my YouTube channel. You'll find the video explain how you can easily switch your account from personal to business. Then guys, after hitting on pay and get paid, just go directly to add and link card. Then guys, you need to add and link your Payoneer card with PayPal. Then guys, after it will take you directly to link your card. It's very easy guys. First guys, you need to add your credit card number, paste it, then select the type of card. Is MasterCard, is expiration date. You need to add an expiration date. Then guys, the security code and the last. Then guys, go and hit on link card. And guys, it's very easy guys. Wait a few seconds to confirm your info with MasterCard. Your Payoneer was limited, has been confirmed. As you see guys, your Payoneer card was successfully confirmed. Then hit on done. Then guys, you need to automatically, your Payoneer was linked successfully to your as you see guys, your Payoneer card was added to your PayPal with the easiest method without using any apps. And then guys, if you want to add a new card or a new Payoneer card, just hit on link card, then you will be able to add your Payoneer card to PayPal. As you see guys, this is the easiest method to link your PayPal with Payoneer without using without no prior experience. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.